Hey everyone, Ed here with Michelle in the Great Indoors, and today we are in Bay Village, Ohio, outside of Bay Lanes Bowling Center. And unfortunately, we're under sad circumstances because today is the last day that this bowling center will be open to the public. And I just wanted to make a video to commemorate it. It's been in this area for a long time, and I guess the city is not renewing their lease. I don't know the details behind it, but it is a sad. If you're like me and Michelle, we've seen a lot of good bowling alleys and good people lose their job and place, because a lot of times the bowling alley is like a second home to people that work there and bowl there, you know? So Michelle, you ready to go in there and give our respects to the Bay Lanes Bowling Center here?
Absolutely.
All right.
This is going to be right up your alley, everyone.
Ooh, okay. You've been thinking of that one all day long, haven't you?
Like
okay.
a 10-pin, not.
Okay, let's get in there and check it out for one last time. Bay Lanes here in Bay Village, Ohio. Nice. Okay, we are here, and it's got that bowling alley smell that I love so much. It's 12 lanes here. And they got, this has been in the community for a long, long time. Hello. How long has this bowling alley been here? 76 years. Are you Mark?
I'm John.
John, okay. Ed and Michelle from the Great Indoors, and I want to make a video for YouTube to commemorate this place.
I was the owner from like 2007 to 2010.
Wow.
I sold it to Mark.
Yeah.
And I stayed on for a year
Right.
to help Mark in the transition.
So this is a sad day for you.
He was such a great guy and friend.
Yeah.
I helped him out.
Right.
Ever since.
Now, we were reading, and it says that the city is not giving them another lease, or what's going on with that? Is it?
That you'd have to ask Mark.
Okay. Yeah, it's. We used to bowl at the Palisades Palace, which became the freeway lanes. Then it became the Game of Wycliffe, and then it became the Wool House, and now it became an empty building. And that was like 2-3 years ago, and that was like our second home. That's out of Wycliffe area, and I hate seeing bowling alleys closed, because not only are you guys closing, but Southland Lanes, this is their final weekend also. Now their situation is completely different. The building is leaking from the roof down, and it costs too much to fix. This building is it looks like it's in great shape, you know?
Yeah.
So, anyway, how much is it? We're gonna bowl a couple games, is that okay?
You'll yes.
Okay, all right. All right, we'll get, Michelle, you get it set up. I'm gonna walk around and take some video, okay? All right. Look at these old seats over here. 76 years this place has been here. Look at that. And it's got the old wood. That looks like it's wood down there. Look at that. The wood lanes, they're not synthetic like you see. And that could be something that works against you, you know, because nowadays every bowling alley has synthetic, you know. And look at the ball returns. You don't see these ball returns. This reminds me of the ones that they used to have at Shoregate Lanes before Shoregate Lanes became closed down. Yeah, Shoregate Lanes had those ball returns just like that. Wow. They gave me permission to go in the back and show the pin setters. How cool is that? Look at this. Wow. They're giving a tutorial on how the pin setters work. Actually, I've been in the back of the Palisades Palace.
Here's a fantastic example. I've had to take holes and hit the balls back there because they get clogged here. Because when the balls meet at exactly the same time, they kind of clog together. And sit together.
Get brought up into that conveyor belt up there. And this is where the workers will come if they need to get up into the top. We got these little steps over there. This is so cool. can't believe this is going away. Wow. All the fun that must have happened over here. Bowling. Yes, the 10 pins are a nightmare to get, but hey, that's all part of the game. This is cool. Okay, we are here with Mark, and Mark, I'm sorry to hear that this place is closing.
Yeah,
Tell me, what did it mean to you to be here at the Bay Lanes?
Oh, Ed, this first of all, Ed, I've been here for 15 years, and this was like my little semi-retirement gig.
Yeah.
It was beautiful, Ed. I treated this place like the old days, like when I was growing up as a kid.
Yeah.
And I would go into any type of bowling establishment or get my hair cut. Now that when I had hair,
Yeah.
get my hair cut and all that. We knew the owner.
Right.
The owner was like your uncle or your aunt. So when I took over this place 15 years ago, that's how I wanted to be labeled as their uncle, and say that when you came in to my establishment, it was like walking into someone's basement and I had a bowling alley.
Yeah.
And I wanted people to know me by my name. I wanted people to feel good.
Right.
I wanted people to feel like, oh man, I've known you for years, Mark. You know, that's how I did it, and it's been a great ride.
Right.
Great ride, Ed.
Off camera, just by talking with you, I could
Yeah.
tell that you're the kind of guy that I would be, I would want to hang with you, okay?
Oh, thank
So
you, man. I
you're
love
a cool
that, man.
dude.
I love that,
Yeah.
man. Yeah, and yeah, that's what people would say. They
Yeah.
go, yeah, Mark, you feel like you're a relative of mine.
Right.
And that's what I wanted to create, because when you get into any type of business, or if you get into any type of relationship, first of all, I always say to people, if you're thinking about getting into your own business, you have to be passionate.
Right.
If you're not passionate about something that you care for, then you won't make it.
And if you're caring just about making the money, then you
Then come
also
on.
are out of luck right
You're
there.
out of luck, man.
Because there's
Yeah.
going to be days where you're going to have the passion to get you through the tough times.
Absolutely,
you know?
yeah. Absolutely, yeah.
That's
so,
right.
yeah, and that's
Well,
why.
it was great meeting you, Mark.
Oh, you too, Ed. And God bless you, Ed, man.
And if you ever need
Great
help
night.
with the YouTube, I'm here for you too.
I
all
will,
right?
Ed, yeah.
All right.
Ed, man, you've been my guardian angel, bro.
Well, I don't know about that, but okay.
No, all right. God bless you.
All right.
No.
I gotta look at this. Look at the little things like this. Happy birthday. Look at these.
Humor. You're like mine. Your humor's just like mine.
That is so cool.
Okay, let's go to Hilary's.
Wow.
Oh my God. Oh, I'm
What a family. These guys are awesome. Tina, Mark, Michelle, their son back there. Like I was just saying to them, that this door may be closing, but a whole nother door is going to open for them, and they're going to find out that life does go on after the bowling alley, and whatever it is they decide to do, they're going to succeed because they put their heart into it. And this bowling alley will never be the same without people like Mark and Tina that are running this show over here. And all the people in this area are going to miss this bowling alley, because it's not just about the bowling alley. It's about the people that come here and make it a community, a place where people could come together and have fun. Like, comment, and subscribe, everyone, to The Great Indoors, as we are here for the final day of Bay Lanes in Bay Village. But it's not goodbye forever, because the thing is, as long as these people are still around, this place will live on forever. Thank you, everyone. Have a great indoors day. Bye-bye. They're saying goodbye for the last time over there. It is such an emotional moment for them. And I just met them, but I feel like I'm already part of their family, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Mark, John, Tina, and their son over there. I didn't catch
That's
it.
not their son.
Oh, it's not? Okay.
It's a porter.
Oh, well, he seemed like he was like part of their family, really.
He's been there for a couple years, and he was part of their family, and he's a great kid. He was bowling with his brothers and his mom,
right?
You know.
But they were telling me that at one point Led Zeppelin was actually here. They were on a post-concert run, and they wanted to do some bowling, and they rented the whole bowling out. So this place has got some history over here.
So a hole in the glove?
Yeah.
Meant for
got a
this place?
hole in my glove. Got okay. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as we did making this. It's sad, but you know what? Like I said to Mark, one door closes, another one opens.
Look at us.
You know?
The bowling alley in Wycliffe closes, and we started the great indoors.
That's right. Good job, Michelle. All right, you guys. Thank you all for being here with us. We love you all. Stay safe, and have a great, striking good day with the great indoors. Bye-bye.
Thumbs up, everyone.
Bye-bye.